Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make public Google Drive link. Open Google Drive in your browser and choose the file or folder you want to share publicly. Click the Share button, then change to anyone with the link and set viewer or editor rights depending on needs. Copy the link shown and paste it where you want to share. I will walk you through key settings and common pitfalls to avoid. Start by selecting the file or folder, then click Share to open permission options in Google Drive. Change access to anyone with the link and pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor depending on your goal and risk tolerance. If you need temporary access, set an expiration or remember to revoke the link later from the sharing panel. I will show how each permission affects recipients and which one is safest for common sharing scenarios. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth has smart, simple money advice that pairs well with file sharing tips for selling or organizing finances. It might change how you think about money and productivity. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Understand the difference between a preview link, a direct download link, and a folder link before sharing publicly. Preview links let people view files in Drive without downloading, while direct download links push the file to download immediately. Folder links display all items inside and follow the folder's permissions, which is helpful for sharing collections. I will explain how to generate each link type and when to use one over another for smooth sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.